Okay, so what do we say?
E-case.
Today, we're gonna open up this e-case.
Today, we're going to open up this e-case.
Alright, let's open it up. Oh, okay. So we're looking for what?
Treasure.
The mod rod and the Cosmo. Oh!
It's a treasure hunt!
Wait, hold it right here, right?
Oh, look, it's a treasure hunt.
Oh, yeah, that's the one that could be the super, right?
Then we just finally found a super!
Did we? Let's take a look. Oh, it's not the super.
It's the treasure hunt.
That's just the regular one. That's okay, let's open it up. Wait, did we show the camera? Wait, remember we gotta go like this. Show the camera. Okay. Open it up. Or why we do it?
Oh, there's just lots of openings.
Nice. That is a cool orange car. Now what do we do?
Put it on here.
Yep. And we let it spin, what, one time. Oh, do you like that car?
Yeah.
Hold on, we didn't even read what that car is. Where did that go? This was the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport. Nice. All right, let's take it off. Let's put it in the lot behind her. Nice. All right, we gonna do another one? All right, so we show the camera. We've got a Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Ooh, all right.
That's a French car.
It's French car. Nice. Nice. Make sure it spins a full way around. So we're going. That's nice. It's got some nice tampos. Some nice livery. Those 5-spoke rims. Very cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very, very cool. All right, let's put it in the lot. Okay, we're gonna open another one. Ooh, let's show the camera. What is this? This is a El Segundo Coupe. It says new for 2023. We don't have that one, do we? All right, let's get it. Uh-oh.
Popped right out.
Let's put it on the turntable. Oh, that's not in the middle, is it? There we go. Nice, we got a nice spin. Oh yeah, that's a cool car, isn't it? Got all those black wheels, black tires.
Ooh, some gray hair.
It doesn't have much printing on it. It just has what? A circle on the side? Maybe they should have put a number in that circle.
Yep.
All right, let's pull it off. All right.
Ooh.
Ooh. You been looking for this one? Ford, a 1986 Ford Thunderbird Pro stock.
Let's open it.
Oh, nice. Put it on the turntable. Right in the middle. Okay, ooh, this is a cool one. It's got, I like the blue. And is that brown with blue? That looks good. Got some cool rims. There's a big motor sticking out in the front. Looks fast, doesn't it? What do you think, Q?
Good.
Good? Good car? All right. Let's put it in the lot. Okay, I don't see any treasure hunts over there, but I do see
a Batman.
A Batman. That's the Batmobile. Do you like the Batmobile?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We finally got the Batman.
Finally got this one? Nice. Were you looking for this one? You want to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put it on the turntable. Oh, whoa.
It moved away.
Did. Alright, there you go. So there's the back. That's where the jets come out when the Batman really goes for it. So this one's what? Black and gold? Yeah, it's got huge wings. That's pretty nice, isn't it? Alright, it's coming back around. Let's pull that off. That's the Batmobile. Alright, what do we have next? Oh, what the heck is this one? It is a ice shredder. Have you been looking for this one?
Yeah.
You have?
Let's open it.
Alright.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Ooh, it has three.
Okay, nice. There's two people in a luge that has wheels. And they're what, number 7? It's red. It's got some printing.
And people, look
Yeah.
there, look, there's babies laying down. Look, there's somebody laying down in it.
Nice.
But why somebody's laying down in it?
I don't know, it's trying to go really fast. Alright, let's pull that off. Okay, hold on.
We got
Oh, yep.
the Chevy!
A Shelby?
Chevy!
A Chevy. Oh, it is a Chevy. It's a 2018 Copa Camaro SS.
We finally got the Camaro.
Let's open it. Make sure you open the front of the camera. Ah, we got it.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell me about it?
It kind of looks good.
Kind of looks good. Ooh, does that have a wheelie bar?
Yep.
Nice. Is that thing fast?
Yeah, but people don't like wheelie bars. I think that's just for something. We don't know. That's just something for something to hook on.
Oh.
This is kind of cool. Ooh, this is cool.
Is this one of your favorite ones so far?
Yeah.
All right, should we pull it off and see what's next?
Yeah.
Ooh. What is this?
The race car.
A 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. That's pretty cool. Would you drive a Miata if you had one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we know a couple friends that would drive a Miata too, don't we?
Ka-chow!
Ciao. All right, let's put it on the turntable. Ooh. That's nice. Those gold 5-spoke rims. That giant spoiler. Is that a good spoiler? And, ooh, it's got some roll bars. It's convertible, number 27.
And the emblem.
Oh, it's a right-hand drive
Let's
car.
go around.
So it must be a Japanese version or something. Where's Mazda? Where? What? Yeah, I don't know. What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Let's go. Put it on there.
All right, what do you think? We gonna get lucky? What do we get?
Nope.
Oh, nope, we didn't get lucky. What is this one?
We didn't get lucky.
Mock It Go.
We didn't get lucky.
Yeah. Is this a fantasy car? Okay, so it's green and orange. That's a good color combo.
Yeah.
It's got some cool 5-spoke rims. It's got like a, was that a jet in the back? Like the Batmobile? What do you think?
Good.
Good? Alright, you want to pull it off and go to the next one?
Yeah. That was too spinny for me.
Too spinny. Alright, what do we got? Let's make sure we show the camera. Ooh, a Lotus. Alright, the Lotus was the Super in the last one. This is a different Lotus though, isn't it? This looks good. Do you like this Lotus?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Oh, Ah! Ciao.
Ciao.
Ooh. I like this one. What do you think?
Good.
What color is it?
Red?
Nice. You like those wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah. Will this look cool next to your other Lotus?
Yeah.
Your other Lotus has a giant spoiler though, doesn't it?
Yeah. It doesn't.
Alright.
Listen.
What we got? Ooh, a DeLorean, a DMC DeLorean, like Back to the Future, right?
Yes, too.
Yeah, 80s. You like this one? Nice opening, Q. I like this car.
Ciao.
I should start collecting it, huh? Shouldn't I?
Ciao.
Ciao. Nice drop. Another one with gold wheels. That seems to be the kind of theme in this E-case, doesn't it? This one's blue. It's got some nice stripes. Some nice louvers in the back window. Man, I always wanted a DeLorean. Papa saw the movie Back to the Future and said, I'll take a DeLorean. Oh, bumping the camera a lot, buddy. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Is this gonna be a good one? Ooh.
We finally got this Audi.
You finally got this Audi? You've been looking for this one? An Audi RS e-tron GT.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Oh, get it. Oh, ah. Well, we can see the rest of the cars, can't we?
Ciao.
All right, let's put on the turntable. Ooh, this is a nice Audi. It's got those are crazy wheels, aren't they? It's got nice printing in the back.
Yeah.
Got a lot of lights. Ooh, look at that thing go. What's the front? Ooh, the front's good too. It's got all the lights and the emblems and the license plate. We like that, right?
That's a nice job.
Ooh, some interesting ones left. What's this one? Surf and turf. Have you been looking for this one?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Oh,
Ciao.
good job. Oh, that's got some good colors though, doesn't it? I like that. Is that red? You know what? This one is cool. There's a surfboard on top.
Yeah.
It has a giant motor. It's got some nice recessed, oh, it moved. Some nice recessed wheels. It says Malibu on the side. It's nice and shiny.
Yeah.
What do you think? Tell me about it.
Good.
Good.
Here it's gone.
Okay. Got 3 more cars left. Ooh, a 32 Ford. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Get it together? Oh! Oh!
Ciao.
Ciao. Let's get it on the turntable. Ooh, number 28. And it's white. Just like our turntable, huh? That's cool. Let's spin a little more. Let's see the back. What's on the back? A trunk. Just a trunk on the back. What do you think?
Good.
Can we take it off?
There it goes.
Okay, 2 more cars. Alright, what is this? Do you know?
Dodge.
Yeah, it's a Dodge Hemi Challenger. Oh my gosh, that was a perfect opening. Look at that. Nice job.
Ciao.
Good job. Let's put it on the turntable. Let's make sure we let it spin all the way around, right? There's our back. No printing on the back. That would have been nice if there was some printing back there. But that stripe on the side, whew, that's cool, isn't it?
Almost.
It did move. And those stripes on the top hood, cool. Wish they would have painted those lights though, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to pull it off. We're going to move on to our final car. We did not get a treasure hunt. We did not get a super, but we did get a... Do you know what this is?
Bronco?
This is not a Bronco. It's a GMC Hummer EV. Electric Hummer. How far do you think this goes?
I don't know.
It's got to be huge, huh? Let's open it up. Let's see you do it. Get a good one. Nice. Oh, you got it. You got it. Perfect.
Pachow.
Good job. All right, let's put it on. Oh. All right, so this is a. Oh, it's got some printing on the back. Those taillights, we like that. Spinning around. Oh, it's got some nice printing in the front. Got giant wheels. All right, so let's put that in the lot. Okay, let's let's pull that out. We don't want that. Ka-chow. So what were your favorite cars in this e-case?
These ones.
All of them? Not one favorite one? All right, we'll have to flash them all on the screen for everybody, right?
Yeah.
All right, you want to look in this here and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.